What you see on my hair right now is a braided wig. So guys, let's make this braided wig together. So I will leave you to watch this video, so you just follow every single step. So for this first step, you can see that we use the crochet pin to fix this extension in the hair. So first of all, I'm getting a little portion of the extension so you can be able to pass through the net hole without ripping it off. So you start with that, then you get another portion of extension, a bigger one, then you braid it. So that particular first one acts as the hair, then you start braiding. So this is how we do all of this to fill up the back that doesn't have closure in it. So after filling up the back, now it is time to braid the closure. So we are going to do a very beautiful cornrow. So just follow this process. It's better watched than explained. So guys, after braiding everything, the braiding pattern I did it, so it is time for us to get the coil right now. So to get that coil, I tripled my thread so it doesn't cut. Then I start braiding it some gaps, like start threading it some gaps until then when you get to a certain point, like to the tip, just leave a little bit at the tip of the hair, then you pull, like you drag it. you drag it. Then when it's very hard, feel it so that you feel that it's hard enough, then you can tie it. So this is how we get this very beautiful coil. You do some gaps, you pull it like I'm pulling right now, then you knot it very well, then you can go on with this until you finish the entire hair. So I use a rubber band to separate this so that I will know which one I've worked on and the one I haven't worked on, so it will be easy to separate. So the next thing you do is to trim it. You trim at the top of the braided hair, then you trim each of the hair like one after the other. Trim carefully so you don't cut the hair at the end of the day. You trim even around the coil, everywhere. So trim very well. Take your time to trim it one after the other. So by now your hot water should have boiled very well. You pour hot water on it in a bowl. So I prefer to dip everything, starting with the coil, then you pour to the edge. Leave the hair to air dry please before you start losing it. So I left it for some time, for like a few hours, maybe 1 hour or 2, depending on how hot the weather is. Then when it's dried, you can start cutting, as you can see I'm doing right now. Then carefully lose out the thread to expose the coil, please, carefully. And I'm not going to separate it after doing this because I want this coil to be very firm. I want this coil to remain, you understand? So be careful with the coil, be very careful when losing it. Sorry guys, I applied hair mousse after losing all of this before wearing it on my hair. Hair mousse helps it to be very firm, to keep the coil for a very long time. So I did this off camera, that's the reason I'm explaining it. Please apply a generous amount of hair mousse on it. So I did that on my live stream, so that's the reason it's not here. So yeah, I can see the hair is ready. And guys, I just want to hear your thoughts on what you think about this hair. Please do not forget to click on that like button if you like this hair. I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Share to your friends, share to your family, share to your loved one. Save this video for future references if you want to make this hair. And please don't forget to click on that subscribe button to be a part of this wonderful community, because definitely you will definitely love other of my videos. And click on that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I make a new post. So thank you so much guys, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.